In this video, we teach you to review and complete financial settings in your organization. Click Accounting, then choose Accounting Settings. Select Financial Settings. A financial year end is the date that ends a period for tracking business finances and is often used to calculate how much tax a business owes at the end of the accounting period. The date entered here is the date entered when the organization was first purchased and will affect the reports you prepare in Xero. If you need to change the financial or fiscal year end, click Change. Changing the date before you've entered any data in Xero is fine. If you enter data in Xero, then change your year end, it may impact the financial data. If needed, use the drop-down menus to select the correct financial year end. We'll keep the year end as the 31st of March. Next, you can enter details about sales tax for your business. First is the tax basis, which has two different options. Operating on an accrual basis means your sales tax return is calculated based on the date sales invoices and purchases bills are issued. Operating on a cash basis means your sales tax return is calculated based on the date money is received or paid. Selecting the correct basis is important to ensure Xero accurately calculates sales tax. We'll choose accrual basis for this example. Your tax ID number is the tax number you hold with your relevant tax authority. The tax ID display name is the common name for sales tax in your region, such as GST or VAT. Your tax period is the frequency you report sales tax. Some of these settings may appear different depending on your region. If you're unsure of any of these settings, use the Help icon to find information about the financial settings page for your region in Xero Central. We also recommend working with an accountant or bookkeeper to ensure these settings are completed correctly. Next, you can set tax defaults for sales and purchases in Xero. Generally, these can be left as the default setting of tax exclusive, which means when you enter an amount on a sales invoice or purchase bill, Xero will add sales tax to that amount. The other options are tax inclusive, which means when you enter an amount on a sales invoice or purchase bill, Xero includes the tax in that amount. No tax, which means Xero will not calculate any tax on amounts you enter. Or based on last sale, which means the tax will default to the same as the previous invoice or bill you entered. An accountant or bookkeeper, or a user with the advisor-user role, should use lock dates to close an accounting period. The last option is the time zone. Xero uses this to timestamp actions in the organization, as you can see in the History and Notes section at the bottom of the screen, so confirm this is correct. Once you've confirmed the details, click Save. Now you can update and confirm your financial settings in Xero.